Just beneath the moon, there's a man with a burden to keep. Now sleep will fall, wash out rags and paper bags, homes and lives passing by. Who will see the beauty in your life? Who will be there to hear